Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on, everybody? Cuts by Reggie, back with another video. And the big conversation has been this new blur guard or blur blade from the Blur company. So here's just a quick video of me fading with it. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos. So I was told that I wasn't showing enough of me using it in the review. So I just wanted to show you me doing a ball fade using the blur guard. So I start with it all the way closed like I do with all my fades. And with it all the way closed, it is pretty much closed like any other clipper, right? The best thing with the click levers is right in that next click, it is like your no guard all the way open. You know what I'm saying? So it is a easy blend. You can see me stretching the skin and still trying to get my clean transition. You get what I'm saying? So I'm not having to change from guards and stuff. That next click in the middle will be my half guard all the way closed. And as you can see me flicking, the fade is coming in smoothly without having to change guards and switch to the half guard or switch to the one guard. You get what I'm saying? So as you can see me stretching the skin, this has been a lot better than expected. You get what I'm saying? At first, I was using it, didn't really know how I was gonna enjoy it. It is on my instincts, and it is gonna stay on my my rotation. That not the middle, but that one guard before all the way open, it's like my half guard all the way open. You know what I'm saying? Or the one guard, depending on if you're using the click levers or you got the floating lever. But as you can see me brushing, fading, stretching the skin, making sure that all the way open for me on my clipper has been the one, a little bit over the one guard. You get what I'm saying? It hasn't been the full 1.5 or the 2 guard, but I have still been enjoying the use. As you can see, I got a little bit of dark lines that I will go back and finish, but I do want to just show you the fade with the blur guard. It has been a great addition to my my arsenal, so it still will stay in rotation. The only thing is that I'm gonna just take my cocoa trimmers right here and just clean everything up. The cocoa has been in my rotation, but I think the wall trimmer I got is gonna take. But see, so I had the blur guard all the way open was like a 1 guard, and this is just me taking my Instinct X, opening with the 1 guard on it, and just finishing up the fade. What I wanted to show from this video is the actual blend from the no guard close, using the blur guard to actually be able to fade all the way up to a 1 or 1.5. I think if you have a floating lever or you got the stretch bracket on there, you will get a better enjoyment from it, because with the stretch bracket, I'm thinking you can probably open it up to a 2. You get what I'm saying? I'm thinking you will probably get a lot more out of it. I don't show the whole beard work in this video, so I'm just starting my fade out. He actually like his blend to really transition. Maybe I'll show that in another video. Taking that 1 guard, making sure that I'm pulling that hair out the way. You don't want to nick your people's hair, the people who got the braids and stuff. You don't want to be jumping into their hair. And as you can see, the fade is in there. I will go into it, clean some stuff up and stuff like that, but I did want to show the use of the blur guard. I was told that I wasn't showing enough usage of it, so that's what I wanted to show from this video. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the video.